Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some great topic, that is word problem. How to solve a word problem with the steps, how to frame a statement. Okay, so let's begin with the first example. The cost of one color TV set is rupees 18,875. The cost of one color TV. One color TV set is rupees 18,875, and the cost of one VCR is rupees 10,550. Find the total cost of three color TV set. We have to find the cost of three color TV set. One color TV set price is given. One VCR price is given, and we have to find the total cost of three color TV set and two VCRs. Mr. X has only rupees 60,000 with him. Mr. X, he has only 60,000 with him. How much more money does he need to withdraw from his bank account? Okay, so solution. Okay, let's see the solution. So first, cost of one TV. What is the cost of one TV? 18,875. Okay, so the cost of one TV is 18,875. So what will be the cost of three TV? So cost of three TV sets is equals to 18,875. This is the cost of one color TV. We have to multiply with 3. So you will get the 3 TV set. So what will be the answer? If you will multiply 18,875 with 3, you will get 56,625. So this is the cost of 3 TV set. Okay. So cost of one TV set is 18,875 and cost of 3 TV set. One TV set price is given. You have to find the price of 3 TV sets. So the price of one TV set multiplied by 3 TV set. So you will get the answer. The cost of 3 TV sets is 56,625. So in the same way, we have to find the cost of 2 VCR. So what is the cost of 1 VCR? Cost of 1 VCR. What is the cost of 1 VCR? That is 10,550. The cost of 1 VCR is 10,550. So what will be the cost of 2 VCR? Cost of 2 VCR. We have to find the cost of 2 VCR. So what will be the cost of 2 VCR? That is 10,550. This is the cost of 1 VCR multiplied by 2. That is 21,100. Okay. This is the cost of 2 VCR. So the total cost of 3 color TV and 2 VCR is equals to how much? That is 56,000. This one 56,625 plus 21,100. Okay, so what you will get the answer? 56,625 21,100. Add this is total cost 5,2,777. Okay, 77,725 is the total cost of 3 color TV and 2 VCR. And how much money the Mr. X have? 60,000 only. How much money he have? 60,000 only, and he has to pay 77,725 to purchase 3 TV set and 2 VCR. So question, how much more money does he need to withdraw from his bank account? Okay, he had 60,000, and how much 3 color TV set and 2 VCR cost? That is 77,725. So how much more money Mr. X need? That is 77,725 minus 60,000. He has 60,000. So how much more money? That is 17,725. He had to withdraw 17,725 more rupees to purchase 3 TV set and 2 VCR. Okay, understood? So let's move to the next problem. That is, second, a factory produces 16,56,000 cricket bat in a year. Okay, how much cricket bat? 16,56,000 cricket bat in a year. Okay, so how much? 16,56,000 cricket bat in a year. In a year means 1 year. 576 bats are packed in a carton. 576 bats are already packed in a carton. How many cartoons are required to pack the bat produced in a year? Let's solve. A factory produced how many bat? 16,56,000. Okay, number of bat packed in a cartoon, that is 576. So how much more cartoon required to pack 16,56,000? Okay, so number of cartoon required, that is 16,56,000 divided by 576. Okay, so let's divide. It is 576 56,000. Okay, so here 2 sum, it is 1,152. Then if you will subtract this, what you will get the answer? That is 405, and this 0 comes here. Then what? 8 times, that is 4608. Subtract this, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 0 here, put the 0 here, then 7 times. Okay, now if what you will get, that is 4032. So 882. Again 0 will here, comes here. Now it comes 5 times. 2880. So what is the quotient here? 2875. What is remainder here? 0. Okay, so total cartoon required, that is 2,874. Clear? Let's move to the next question. Okay, so A rice godown owner purchased 16,780 quintal of rice at the rate of 520 per quintal. Per quintal means 1 quintal. What was the total price of the rice purchase? Okay. So let's solve this question. A rice godown owner purchased how much he purchased? That is 16,780. So a rice godown owner purchase how much? That is 16,780. Okay, quintal of rice at the rate. What is the rate? That is 525 per quintal. Per quintal, 1 quintal. 1 quintal price, 1 quintal of rice is equals to rupees 525. Okay, so this is the 1 quintal price, and how much this godown owner purchased? That is 16,780 quintals. So what is the total price? What is the total price of the rice purchase? What was the total price of the rice purchase? So the total price of rice purchase is equals to, that is 16,780. This is the total total purchase by the godown owner, that is 16,700 in quintals, multiplied by 525. So if you will multiply this total purchase into per quintal price, then you will get the answer. The total price of the rice purchase, that is 88,095.00. Okay, this is the total price of the rice purchase. This is the total price of the rice purchase. Total price of rice. Okay, let's come to the next. A company exported 900 bicycles. The price of each is 8,550. How many exported by this company? It is 900 bicycle is exported by a company, and the price of each bicycle is 8,550. What will be the total price? Again the same question. So what is the price of how many exported bicycles are there? That is 900 bicycles. So exported bicycles, that is 900. And what is the price of each bicycle? Price of each bicycle, that is 8,550. So what will be the total price that he has exported? The total price of bicycle is equals to 8,550. That is price of each bicycle, and how much he had exported? That is 900 exported. So what will be the answer? 8,550 multiplied by 900, that is 7,695,000. Okay, this will be the total price of a bicycle which is exported. Clear? I hope you understand how to frame a statement, how to solve a word problem. Okay.